why you need to be changing your HVAC filters. Regularly changing your filters is essential for your HVAC system. Not only will it improve indoor air quality, but it'll also save your system in the long run. Just look at this filter. Man, it looks disgusting. Well, good thing we got a brand new one right here, nice and white and shiny, compared to this black one. Absolutely gross. Get this filter, slide it out. It's garbage, don't need it anymore. Get this brand new filter, look at the arrows that are indicating the airflow. Now, that airflow is going to be going towards the system, always. Now, take the arrows, put them towards the system, towards the way the air is going, slide it on in, just like that, brand new filter. Do yourself a favor and change your filter.